Hi, Angking. Good morning. Uh, Happy birthday. I heard that you will be celebrating your 40th birthday. And one thing nga di ko kalimot na mo king kay uh, bibo kayo ta when monto mi sa inyong lugar. Uh, you treated us so much. Have been so generous to us. And you even spend time para namo live yung ka sa imong trabaho tungod namo. And ang di gyud ako kalimtan king the time nga yan ha mi silita isuon pas nga you make jokes with us. Lingaw kayo mi kay saba kayo mi dito nya binuangan nimo silita. So very memorable for us. Gidala mi nimo dito sa San Francisco, gi-check-in mi sa hotel. Nindot kayo ng hotel. And you've been so kind to us that time. I hope that you will continue to be like that. And we pray that God will give you more birthdays to come in your life. Bye-bye.